In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to harness the power of grids to create a responsive web design. Grids are incredibly useful when it comes to organizing content across different devices because they ensure that each element has its own designated space, thereby preventing any overlap, regardless of screen size. Let's begin by exploring the section grid within the Studio Editor. Every section that you work with in the editor comes equipped with a built-in grid. Initially, this grid is made up of a single cell that houses the entire section. But to unlock the true potential of your design, you'll want to split this layout into more cells. By doing so, you give a responsive structure to your content, creating a more versatile and robust layout. Now, there are various customizable layouts available, and these can be tailored directly within the editor to fit your specific needs. This flexibility allows you to adapt your design to fit any number of devices or resolutions seamlessly. For those who desire even more control over their grid configuration, you can switch to an advanced CSS grid. This feature allows you to define and manipulate the rows and columns with precision using measurement units like FR, min-max, and percentage. These advanced settings help you ensure that your grid layout adapts perfectly to every breakpoint, maintaining an aesthetic and functional design on all screen sizes. An advanced CSS grid is not limited to just sections of your layout. You can apply this feature to individual cells as well, further customizing your design to create a highly responsive site. Likewise, this capability can be extended beyond just sections and applied to other elements such as containers or repeater items. This allows you to maintain cohesion and consistency across all components of your web page. If you're looking to implement an advanced CSS grid on either an entire section or a specific cell, you'll find the option in the Layout section of the Inspector panel. Here, you can fine-tune the grid settings to your desired specifications, ensuring a fluid experience for visitors across a multitude of devices. By systematically applying these grid techniques, you'll be able to achieve a level of design control that enhances user experience and ensures functionality. Whether you are creating a website from scratch or refining an existing layout, grids offer the precision and adaptability needed to succeed in today's responsive design landscape. That's all for today's tutorial on employing grids in your web designs. By implementing the techniques discussed, you'll be in a prime position to create visually stunning, responsive designs that are both user-friendly and technically sound. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, where we'll explore more exciting design